Hey guys, this is Skandar from amzppcsolutions, helping fix our network and brands in PPC. Today we will discuss the top 5 mistakes that Amazon sellers are making, new sellers and existing sellers are making, what I've seen in the market. So we will discuss on that today. Before that, if you haven't subscribed for my YouTube channel, subscribe. Now you can subscribe to my Facebook group and learn from there as well. Usually I do podcast here in the group. I upload on YouTube as well. Here is amzppcsolutions English. Like here I will uploading only English videos, and here seems under official amzppc solutions. Here I'm uploading that podcast as well, and the videos are in English and also mixed. So today we will discuss about the website is also here. The website is also here. They can schedule a call. You can get the 15-minute free consultation as well. You can get the service as well. Reach out to me if you need any help. Let me explain that why these 5 mistakes Amazon sellers are making. Okay. So first of all, while you are selecting the product, while you are searching the product, when you finalize the product, before finalization, you must know again. Let me tell you that you must know that your budget, your cash flow. I mean, how much do you have, or like how many products are you gonna launch? Let's say you are going to launch one product, but you do not have do not have any idea who are the customers, who is the buyer, who is going to use that product, what is the use of that product. That means the product will definitely gonna fail. The product is the king. The product is going to make you millionaire, and the product is going to make you like from 0 to 0. Choose the product and also do your research that who are your customers, right? Choose the right market for selling. Like let's say if a product like the audio, if you like you don't have that much budget, and you choose a product that is doing very well in the US and UK as well, and the Germany as well, Italy as well, but due to insufficient fund, if you are going to jump into that market where you know that you are not gonna survive, then definitely you will lose the money and the business as well. So choose the right market for selling. Before selling, do your product research, choose your customer, choose your audience to target on them. Choose the right market for selling, choose the right audience of that market for selling. Data is very important. Data is very, very important. You must have the data regarding the product, regarding the market, regarding the customer. You must have the market segmentation. You got it, like you must have the market segmentation. You must have your competitor segmentation. You must have the keyword list. You must have your PPC strategies, everything. Most of the sellers, I mean, like without data, how you can make the decisions? I mean, for let's say if I am making good enough sales on PPC, and now I want to take a decision, I cannot go to campaign ad console and I see that one by one campaign. I cannot see that. I need to download the file. I need to create the pivot table. I need to see the campaign match type. I need to see the echo, the spend, the advertise PPC sales, PPC ad spend, click-through rate, conversion. I need to look at everything. I need to look at CPC as well. If you see the new bulk file, there is the PPC is available. Okay, so then now come to inventory. In the inventory part, this is also a very important part. How? Let me tell you. Let's say if you are choosing a product that is selling 3,000 units per day, right? Or per month, let's say per month. Why you are going into that product? Do you have my sufficient funds? If yes, Do you know that product is gonna survive? If a seller is selling 3,000 units per month, that means he has already built the relevancy, he has already built his campaigns, he has already built his audience, he know his customers, he know his her customers. So this is very important thing, that choose a product that you can bear the inventory. Do not order like thousand of units. How many? First, your goal is to make $10,000 per month, not $50,000 per month. If you have sufficient funds, then you can go for 50,000 per month, even per week as well. Now, how would you go? The more money you wanna make, the more money you need to spend to build that account. So choose a product, buy that inventory, that like 500, 1,000 units for that product. You choose a product that which is selling like 500 units per month or 1,000 units per month or 300 units per month. Then order the double inventory for that product. Order the double inventory. Like let's say if it's selling 500 units per month, you can order 1,000 units. But again, you are a new seller. Maybe the other seller has already making money, but you are not sure how you are going to sell these 500 units per month. You are a new seller. You will have the honeymoon period. Definitely, you will get more exposure. You will get the more benefits from Amazon in the ranking phase as well, and then the visibility as well. So go with that much inventory that you can bear, not less, not more. Cash flow is very, very important. Cash flow is very, very important. If you do not know how to spend, where to spend, how much you need to spend, you're gonna survive. Let's say you are choosing a product and you are spending whole money on the inventory. That's not gonna survive. You need to spend on PPC as well. You need to spend on the content as well. You need to spend on the inventory as well, and also that PPC spend you must have the next 6 months. For the next 6 months, in that 6 months, that money you will make again, you will utilize it. In the first year, you are not gonna expect that you are going. I mean, this is my personal suggestion to you, that whatever money you are going to make, better to reinvest in that business, to build some stuff, to build a business. So cash flow is very important for inventory, for PPC, for the other stuff like building the audience inside Amazon, and internal traffic and external traffic. So these are the five mistakes five things that Amazon sellers are making mistakes, and most of them they are making mistakes. But the people who they have their own businesses, very less people who they have their own businesses, I don't know, who they have already got the experience. Now they do understand, but many sellers still not. So keep things in mind. Choose the right product, choose the right audience, choose the right market for selling, do the right decision based on data, get the inventory, keep cash flow in mind, that how to utilize. Thank you so much for watching.